Hi everybody, it's Pete the Monkey Thrifter here yet again. It's a quick short video. Just been to the Bradford Bulls car boot. I didn't do any videoing because on the Sunday, this coming Sunday, I'm going to go to the Huddersfield Town Football Club car boot. I'm going to be videoing that, so I thought I'll leave that to them. We've seen Bradford Bulls and I'll leave that a bit, but I'll show you what I've got in a bit. Before we do that, a couple of shout outs. We've got Roshkana and her son Mudase. They watch the channel up, so thanks very much for watching. Don't forget them thumbs up. Also, one of the sellers at the car boot was called Johnny, who watches my channel, and we had a good chat with him. So to Johnny, thanks very much for watching. I also bumped into Queenie's Conquest, and also Pound Girl Reseller. I've forgotten her name, sorry. Anyway, so let's just see what we got. I didn't do too bad. First thing, I got this Dance UK wireless, it says wire-free karaoke microphone, and it's new and sealed. I'm about to open it up to see if everything is in it. It's all sealed up inside as well. That was £2. Hoping to get around about 15 possibly. I thought we'd get a bit more than that, but never mind. 2 in a 15 should be okay. I picked up this. It's a Furby plush, so there's no electronics inside. I think it was Ian Master of Pieces who said look out for these because they still go for reasonable money. 50p, hopefully into around about £10–12 for that. Oh, and then this cassette case. This was 50p, right? But also inside there were a load of cassettes. Now most of them are the blank used ones, but they are TDK, and you can still sell them just as blank used ones, and there's 10 of them and a couple of Tammy Wynette, but they won't have any value at all. They're on cheap record labels, but for the blank tapes I'm looking at getting a tenner and possibly getting a tenner for that, so 50p in a possibly 20. Nice. I got these, I like picking these VTech things up. Inner Tab Max. It's a pink one. It does work. It just needs charging up a bit. So I've had it working. It's charging up. I've seen this go recently for £30, believe it or not, and it didn't have the stylus with it. So I'm going to aim somewhere around about that. A lot of them have been going for a lot less, but I'm going to try and look and see if we can get around about 30 quid for it. That was £2. Then something I've never picked up before, but I know that they are worth quite a bit of money. A pasta maker. Pasta maker's in very good condition. I mean, I think it has been used, but very little. It's a Mercato Ampere, and it was £5. And I know that they go for a little bit of money, and I've seen these when I'm doing comps around about 35, possibly £40 mark, so that's quite nice, is that. And lastly, it wouldn't be with that electronics, JVC. It is a RC EZ51. It's a radio, cassette and CD player. That was £5. I was talking to the guy, the seller there, and he says, do you buy them for yourself or your reseller? I said, my reseller. And he said, I've got some more. So he said, I'll bring them in next week and we'll get. So looking forward to that. That was £5 and going for around about 25. And of course, everything here is plus postage. So yeah, so that's a quick scope update of what I got today at the Bradford Bulls. Hopefully getting to the Huddersfield Town on Sunday, so there'll be a video coming out about that next week and we can see how big it is. I've heard some pretty good stuff about it and it's doing quite well. So don't forget, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It is totally free, it doesn't cost anything, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified next time I upload a video. So from me, Pete the Big Monkey Thrifter, I'd like to say thanks very much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and until next time, bye.